Wednesday, September 5th. Look at these roots. There's my roll of packing tape. There's my hand. I mean, this is like a 3.5 inch diameter, and look at the roots on the bottom of this thing. Like I said, hurricane or tropical storm, Gordon, not hurricane, went through this weekend, put down a little bit of rain, not really as much as we've had on normal days for the past couple weeks. We've had probably 4, 5, 6 inches of rain in the last week. So that's why these roots are doing so good. And if you can get these roots to go like that, and on a new shoot like this, this one isn't too big. This one's probably only, well, yeah, it's about 25 feet tall. So, but I did a third wrap on another one over here. That's a smaller diameter. That's maybe almost 3 inches. So I wrapped that one up. It's on the outside edge, so I can chop that out possibly. And it's only about maybe 12 feet tall right now. So hopefully that's going to put out some branches in the next couple weeks and fill those wraps up with roots. So we'll have a nice strong cutting to take out.